right now, as you can see, I just parked, and my truck is like under 180, 190 because I'm idling the truck. So the problem is, like, the truck is okay when it's idling and it's not driving, and it starts heating up if it goes on the road. Alright, so as you can see, the truck is heating up, and if I hit the RPM, the truck heats up more. And if I go neutral, then cool down. So I'm going to increase my speed and see if it heats up. So as soon as I increase my speed, the truck is heating up. I'm empty right now, and it should not be heating up. So it could be two problems. Either the water level is too low, so now I'm going to go in neutral. So I'm not in a gear anymore. I'm letting it cool down a little bit so I can drive and roll. So I'm trying to hit RPM. It could be two problems. It's either the antifreeze level is too low, or the engine fan is not working properly. But in this case, I think it might be the water pump problem, because if you hit the RPM and the truck heats up with the RPM, and when you drop the RPM and the truck drop temperature, most likely it's the water pump problem. So let's see what it's gonna be, because I don't think it's a thermostat. Not sure about that, but most likely now I'm in a gear again. So as soon as I hear the fan, so the fan is turning on. The fan is turning on, but right now I'm at the 35. So as soon as I'm gonna go a little bit over speed, it's gonna be heating up again. So the fan is on, and the coolant level, I checked it, it was okay, and it's still heating up. As you can see, as soon as I go over 40, it keeps heating up. So I'm going to go neutral again. My fan is on, but I have to keep hitting the RPM in neutral, because I want the fan to turn on a little faster to cool it down quickly. So as you can see, my speed is dropping, and also my temperature is. So I'm in a gear again. See, the temperature is going to raise again. So I am guessing about this problem that is the water pump problem. Either the water pump is bad, because the fan is on and the coolant level is good, and I think it's a thermostat or the water pump, one of those. I checked the radiator, it was okay. So the radiator was not leaking or anything, so I gotta get it checked out. What's the problem with this? So as soon as I reach 245, it's heating up again. So I'm going in neutral. So if it's the water pump, you can drive like this, the way I'm driving. If you're empty, it's better. If you're loaded, because it's gonna take too much force to pull, and it's gonna heat up really fast. So if you bobtail to shop, it's gonna be okay. You can make it there by like the way I am doing it right now. So I have a trailer, but it's empty, so I can drive. But you have to be careful with the temperature. You don't want it too hot. So I'll update about this as soon as I find out what's the problem with this. Alright, so on this truck, I just replaced the water pump. As you can see, it's a new water pump, and the reason why the truck was heating up is because of the water pump.